Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subject English, class 5th. Our today's topic is the dot box. It is on page number 8. Dear students, as I have already told you that I have already taught you the first stanza and the second stanza of the poem. We are going today to read the last stanza of the poem. He does not relish the food. He does not relish the foodstuffs in his mouth. He does not relish the foodstuffs stuffed in his mouth. He is excited seeing parrots eat fishes and fruits. He is excited seeing parrots eat fish and fruits. He wears thick glasses. He wears thick glasses and contracts his eyes to see. He wears thick glasses and contracts his eyes to see. Men, woman, and children walk in drawing rooms. Men, women, and children walk in the drawing rooms. Dear students, as you know that this poem, Edward Box, has been written by Arvind Gago. Arvind Gago, the poet, teaches us in a funny way, that TV and adult books. By adult books, it means TV. Should not be watched excessively. He has given the harmful effects of it. Nowadays, mobile phones and WhatsApps have become very common among children and students, which are again damaging their concentration and physical activities. It is true, excess of everything is bad. In stanza third, the poet says, in stanza third and last stanza, the poet highlights the side effects of excessive TV watching. As the boy does not relish the food stuffed in his mouth, he is excited by seeing parrots eat fish and fruit on TV. The boy has to wear thick spectacles as the glare of TV screen has affected his eyes. He lost in the shoe. He hasn't relished the foodstuffs in his mouth. He is excited seeing parrots eat fish and fruits. If excited gasan, pareshan gasan. When he sees parrots eat fish, he is parrots eat fish and fruits. He wears thick glasses. Yeh chu ٲنکھ لاگان and contracts his eyes to see. پتہٕ چھُ تھاوان نظر اکٕے نظر اتھ ٹی وی یس کُن اتہِ کیاہ چھُ گژھان. یہِ چھُ نظر اورٕ یورٕ ڈالان. Men گٔے موہنی, women زنہِ and children walk in drawing rooms. یہِ چھُ وٕچھان اتھ ٹی وی یس منٛز موہنی یِوان, زنہِ یِوان, شُرۍ یِوان ड्राइंग रूम्स में. प्यारे बच्चों, ये जो लड़का अपने कमरे में बैठा हुआ है वो इसकी चैनल और किताबों के वर्क उलटता और साथ ही वो अपने बदलते मूड के साथ टेलीविज़न चैनल बदलता है. वो अपनी आँखों पर मोटा शीशा पहनकर और आँखों को सकेट कर हमला आवर सैलानियों को मछली और फल खाते देखता है और इसलिए वो अपने मुंह में रखे खुराक का मज़ा भी नहीं बदलता. इस तरह से हमने इस नज़म को पढ़ लिया है. कल इंशाल्लाह इसके जो मशकी सवालात हैं, टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन वो करेंगे. खुदा हाफिज़.